As a growing content creator on YouTube, you need to pay attention to these tips I'll be sharing with you. This is centered on YouTube growth tips, mainly for YouTube beginners. To get to 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, that will help you in getting your channel monetized. So if that sounds like something you want to know, stay back, go nowhere. Please don't make long videos. Avoid them as well. In fact, if you know how you avoid plagues, avoid long videos. Don't you might see other creators posting 10 minutes video, 20 minutes video, and they're getting views, and you're just starting and you want to do the same thing they did. No, it's not the same strategy that will help you get there. They were once new creators like you, and rest assured that they not do the same thing you're trying to do now. They were not posting 15 minutes video when they started out. So what you have to focus on creating 4, 5, 6 minutes length of video. Don't even post 10 minutes at all. Leave that 10 minutes out. So for you're still starting out on YouTube, post 4, 5, 6 minutes on video. Now it will even help you now, because if people are able to watch a good amount of your video, like to a reasonable extent, it will push it better. So imagine if they're able to watch 2 minutes out of 4 minutes of your video. That is a good retention rate for that particular video length. If they're watching 2 minutes out of 5 minutes, it is still okay. But imagine when they're watching only 2 minutes out of your 10 minutes video, YouTube will not push your video much more people, and it will affect that your video performance. Nobody knows you apart from your family and friends, and because you're still new, what do you expect? Nobody wants to watch your video. They have a lot of other people's video to watch on their own, people that they're already used to. So you now coming out, you're trying to compete with existing audience. It's not going to be that easy. So focus on creating 4, 5, 6 minutes of video. The moment you're now getting more subscribers and fans, you can now start getting your video to 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Then eventually you can now start posting the 10 minutes video later on, but not then. Before you even post the 10 minute video, people have already known you, so they can at least watch your video to at least 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You can now post the 10 minute video. So please avoid long videos as much as possible. Don't post 10 minutes clip. Focus on 4, 5, 6 minutes. It will help you. Very important. Now thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next one. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification so that you'll always get notified whenever I make new videos. I will see you when I see you. Bye.